The hippocampus is derived from the Greek word seahorse, given the shape of this complex structure. It is composed of a type of cortical tissue known as archicortex with 3 to 4 layers of neurons. This type of cortex is derived from the medial pallium and is present in all vertebrates. As you can observe, the green region here is the medial portion of the pallium which forms invertebrate embryos and composes a part of all vertebrate telencephalons or cerebral hemispheres. In humans, this is the hippocampus, which is no longer visible on the exterior of the brain. Here, the cerebral cortex becomes transparent, and the hippocampus can then be visualized within this, covered by the parahippocampal gyrus, which is on the medial surface of the cerebral hemisphere near the lateral ventricle. The hippocampus is an important part of the limbic system, and it functions in memory consolidation, the transfer of short-term memory into long-term memory. It is one of the few regions of the brain where new neurons can form, particularly in the dentate gyrus, which is part of the hippocampus. The hippocampus receives input from auditory, somatosensory, and visual areas, and in other vertebrates, lateral line input, and it connects to the neocortex through the entorhinal cortex and also connects to the fornix and hypothalamus. The hippocampus has a high amount of glucocorticoid receptor compared to other brain regions, and thus is one of the brain regions most affected by chronic stress.